This is the Godox AD600 BM, and this is the X2T Trigger. Here is how you can connect your X2T Trigger to your Godox AD600 light. So I'm just going to turn this light on right now. And as well, I'll turn my trigger on right now. The first thing you're going to do, make sure the channel on your trigger. So you can see this channel right here. And also the channel on your AD600. So you can see this channel right here. If I just show you the both channel, you can see the AD600 channel is on channel 4, while this trigger channel right here is on channel 7. So the first thing you have to do is make sure the channel on your trigger and the channel on your AD600 is the same. So you can choose to either change the channel of your trigger, or you can choose to change the channel of your AD600, depending on the one you want to change. I'm going to show you how you can change the two actually. So if you want to change channel of your trigger, all you have to do is come to your menu and just use this dialer right here. Just dial it down until you get to channel. So this is the channel CH, and if I just click on set, so you have up to 32 channel on this trigger. Since the channel of our AD600 is on channel 4, I'm just going to set the channel of my trigger to channel 4 as well. Okay, I'm just going to move it to channel 4. Okay, like this, and I'll click on set. After I click on set, I'll click on menu again. It's just going to bring me to this menu. Now that we have our channel to channel 4 and our AD600 is to channel 4, so next we have to do is to make sure the groups are set. So right now, the group of this AD600 is on group C, and you can see right now it's off. It's because the group C on our trigger is off. That's why it's off. So to turn your group C on, just come to the top of your trigger and you're going to see C right here. So just press on C. After you press on C, just come to this mode right here. You just click on mode to turn it on. Now that I've turned it on, if you check our AD600 right now, you can see our C channel is turned on. So if I just press this trigger right now, it's going to trigger. So you can see it's going to flash. So that's how you can change group and channel or your trigger. What if you want to change the group and channel from your AD600? So let me just change the channel of my trigger to channel 6. So I come to my menu and click on channel and just change it to channel 6 like that, and click on set and click on menu. So right now our channel for our trigger is on channel 6, and our channel for this AD600 is on channel 4. I want to change it to channel 6. So if I flash right now, it's not going to work because the channel has changed. Alright, so to change the channel from AD600, all you have to do is click on this group and channel right here. So if I click once, it's going to change the group. Or just click on this group and channel, click and hold for a few seconds. And once you see this channel highlighted right here, just move your sliders right here. So just move it until you get to channel 6. So the AD600 also has 32 channel. So you can choose from 1 to 32 if you want. But we want 6, so I'm just going to choose 6. Okay, now that we have 6, I'm going to click on set. If I flash right now, it's not going to work because the group D for our trigger is off. So this come to your trigger again, and we want to on our group D for our trigger. So to turn on your group D, all you have to do is come to the top of your trigger again, click on D right here. Once you press D, come to your screen for your trigger and just click on this mode right here to turn your channel on. So once your D channel is on, and our trigger right now is going to work on the AD600. As you can see, it's going to work on the AD600. So this is how you can easily connect your Godox AD600 BM or AD600 Pro to your X2T Trigger. It doesn't matter if it's a Nikon or a Canon, it's the same way. So this is how you can easily connect it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay creative.